G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. I am up at my house in Upsturt and I'm trying to put together basically all the videos that I've done over the last 10 weeks that's not involving Chuck's Garage or Drivin With Dixon. It's just all the Monaro, HX, Wagon, HR, BMW, all that sort of stuff. So I've got a little bit to sort of sift through here, but I'm going to give it to you all in one video and then update you about what I'm going to be getting up to in my break. And so yeah, I'm here in my little office, basically the dog's bedroom. And wet, miserable day like it has been for a long time. Had a nice day yesterday, but yeah, so I'm just waiting for some things to download, and then I thought I'd just give you a little intro to see what this video is. And it's just going to be, yeah, over the last couple of months of just me mucking around with the wagon, the Monaro, HX a little bit, and the BMW. So hope you enjoy. G'day guys, back at the shed, day after a game. So I'm pretty cooked, but here just doing little bits and pieces. And I had the wagon here. Now I bought a new idle control sensor, which is this one down here. You can see that down there. So I pulled this off, had a look. I only had one bolt in it. So I just stole one from the Monaro and yeah, put that in there, and it's idling a lot better now, so I've got to get a bolt for the Monaro. But yeah, I'm still not sure what I'm going to do with this car. I mean, it looks amazing now with these wheels and everything. Got probably too much money into it to sell it, but I might put it up for sale, see what happens. If anyone in the comments is keen on a pretty clean wagon, nice cam. It's got, it will have a true track, 3.9 gears in it, new clutch, all new suspension, bushings, everything real tidy inside out. I'll show you overlay of this whole car. Now moving over to the Monaro, I've had Trav here who did all my cooler piping and stuff, like I've said previously. But the 42 is coming off, and we're going the 45. So I'm getting this picked up. Instead of like putting the bloody dump pipe and whatnot back on, I'll just get Nev from Wild and Mild Towing to pick it up Wednesday night and take it over to Trav's shed, and he'll be able to get it all sorted from that. Lucky, same rear housing, so the dump pipe fits perfect. It's probably just seeing how where it sits in here, and if we're going to need to cut more out, which I imagine we might have to, but that's no real big deal. I'm not really fussed about that. Have to get a new TPS. Idle control sensor bolt. So I might take one out of that and then go there. This is the new one I bought because I thought that one was cooked, but we're it seems to be working, but we'll see how it goes after a little drive and whatnot. But and the weather isn't nice, and it's just been detailed, and I don't want to take it out. So I'm currently waiting here in the shed for mate come past. I'm doing some charity chat for them for Variety on Friday night, and his old man is interested in the HR, so they're coming to have a look. And I have picked up my bench seat for the HX. So Ben's going to come around on Wednesday night, and Owen's here with Odie. Odie might be in there because the heater's on. But we've got to work out a way to make me fit in this car with a very, very slim, I reckon we'll go something like that. I reckon. Slim bench seat, next to no padding on here, so it might just be the frame. I get that frame blasted and go from there. Always in your grill, this bloke. But Harley's here. It's going to be living here until it gets nice and warm again. BMW's not far off either. Mick's coming in Wednesday to do some more wiring on this. I need help from him to help me wire up, measure up the new steering column. So once we do that, then we can get that on order. And a new shifter too, because I don't like the position of that one. So I bought one off Amazon or eBay or whatever. Doesn't fit, which is pretty standard for me. It was only like $25 or something. Thinking it would fit, but anyway, let's so that might be it for now until we're back here Wednesday doing some more filming at the shed. And I'm moving a lot of this junk around. As you can see, I'm puffing because I just had to move that freaking heavy thing. Looks pretty small, but it's quite heavy. But I'm gonna start loading up just all the rubbish that I don't want anymore. I'm just gonna put it here near the door, so then I'm gonna skip and then I'm gonna throw it away. I'm done with it. But I've got the Monaro here ready to go to Trav's. New turbo put on it. Wagon's going on the hoist. We're going to pull the diff out because we've got the True Track going into that. And HR is sold, ladies and gentlemen. So super pumped for that. That's, very sad, but got a really good price for it. Obviously Total Tools and the Ram. So that should go in the next couple of days or a week, whatever. It's not real rush, but HX, XC, not sure we're going to work on that again, not for a little while. We need to start working out some parts and stuff, but yeah, Mick's probably going to take that soon, and obviously Elvis's stuff. But tyres, wheels, whatever wheels I don't want, I'm putting over there where the Harley is, and junk from up there as well. I'm pulling it down here. I'm going to stack it up. I need to get some pallets, and I'm just going to toss some shit out because it's just a shit show, and I don't like. I've literally pushed everything into the corners because, I don't. I don't really like having that. I'd like to have some genuine storage in here, and I'd like to clean up these benches because it's a genuine shit show. Everything's just sort of thrown around, and I want to start getting some sections done, put up. So I've got this place for another year. So I need to get some, so I want it to be like HX, Monaro, XC, like BMW, and just have sections for all my stuff. So I've just been moving shit around, clearly. more tyres and wheels and tyres over there, and then there's a bit of Sean's stuff which I might stack up over here. But yeah, I've got junk everywhere, as you can see. But yeah, so just cruising. But I'll be putting some stuff on the wagon. So let's go. All right, guys, back at the shed, and I've sold the wagon, and I'm just saying goodbye to it now. I've put it on my new trailer, same as Dad's. I don't know if I said that before, but she's all loaded up. Old mate he's from Mount Barker, he's gonna catch a cab down. I said, oh, don't do that, I've got to be down in town early tonight and today, so I'll just throw it on the trailer. I don't have my straps yet, so I've made something work anyway, but that ain't going nowhere. And just gonna cruise up, meet him in Stirling, and hand it over to him. So it's pretty sad to see it go, but got other things in mind that I want to do. Mick's in here actually about to start the BMW, hopefully, so we'll get a little clip of that. And then yeah, so no more wagon. It's a bit sad, but I didn't drive it a whole lot, only when sort of family came and saw me and all that sort of stuff. So not needed. Would have liked to have built it, made it pretty killer car. Like when I was gonna, my plan was to when I was gonna do the Monaro, redo the Monaro again, I was gonna put everything from that bar turbo on that rear end and everything, because it would have gone into this, and yeah, just have a killer and a manual cruiser again. So, but hey, things change, and we've got an empty shed at the moment, so which is cool. That's going soon, and then these two, whatever. Well, Henry's here ripping around, but yeah. All right, guys, another little update here. Back at the shed, clearly. Now, like, yeah, so wagon gone. BMW, we didn't get started. I had to shoot out, and we just didn't have the battery power here, so got to get a new battery for that, and then tomorrow night we're going to start it. But I'll do that a whole nother video. So this one I'm just I picked up. I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of what else we've got going on. So I've just picked up the trans for the HX. So, and I'll do another video on that coming up, and I'll go through the details on that. And then we've got to do, put it on the engine, and then so then we can get a measurement for the converter, and we can go from there. But like I said, I was doing a heap of tidying up, and I've tidied up there, moved everything away off the walls pretty much. This is Sean's car. I'm not going to give you too much on that because I'm sure he's going to come tonight and do some filming on that and show you guys on his channel. So I'll put that down in the description below so you can have a look at that. I've bought a set of Monaro seats popped up, and for cheap, and they're not too bad. So, and I'll probably get them redone anyway because, yeah, just because. And before they get way too expensive, so they're not too bad. Driver seat's probably the roughest, but I mean, I'd probably get them redone anyway if I'm going to throw them back in the Monaro one day. So when I do drag challenge, people don't have to sit in those seats. They can sit in those ones. I can swap them out and whatever. But got some stuff happening to the Ram in the next couple of days, so I'm going to do some filming on that. But I've got a bit of a clean shed at the moment. I've moved everything out of the way, tidied everything up, and yeah. So I've got to do a little bit more tidying up by the looks of it. But yeah, so that'll be it for this video. I hope you like a little update. There's more and more coming. I'm going to be trying to do as many videos as I can of my travel. And yeah, I haven't told you guys what I'm actually doing, so I may as well tell you that before I shoot off. So in 2 weeks' time, I'm going to Heathcote with a Monaro, with a brand new turbo, and we're going to, with all Mick and all those guys from Pavlou Motors. So we leave on the 16th for a test and tune on the 8th. No, we leave on the 17th for a test and tune on the 18th. And then from there, I'm going to go to Cootamundra for the muscle car challenge, I think it is, at Cootamundra Airport. So I've been hanging to get to an airstrip, and so I'm pretty keen to go to that. And that's the following weekend, which is on the 22nd to the 24th. So that's my birthday weekend, and I have family in Cootamundra, and my parents are going to come down, cousins. So really looking forward to that, and I'm going to be trying to vlog as much as I can, and yeah, just get my travels underway and show you guys what I'll be doing, and hopefully run a killer number at Heathcote, and then also at Cootamundra, which it seems to be very hard to do. But I'm super pumped, and but yeah, that'll be it for this video. And I know it's been a while since I posted one of these, so hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.